First, Ramadan, Sarah's short story. It was the first day of Ramadan, and Sarah was excited to begin her first ever month of fasting. She had always heard about Ramadan from her Muslim friends and was fascinated by the spiritual significance of the holy month. She had decided to fast this year as a way to deepen her own spiritual connection and understanding of the Muslim faith. Sarah woke up before dawn to have her suhoor meal. She had prepared a simple but nutritious meal of eggs, toast, and fruit to give her the energy she needed to make it through the day. As she ate, she reflected on the meaning of the month ahead and the discipline required to observe the fast. Throughout the day, Sarah felt a sense of peace and purpose as she abstained from food, drink, and other distractions. She used the extra time she had to focus on her prayer and to read the Quran. She also made an effort to be more mindful of her actions and words, striving to live a more humble and compassionate life. As the sun began to set, Sarah eagerly awaited the call to prayer that would signal the breaking of the fast. She had invited some of her Muslim friends over to join her for iftar, and she had prepared a feast of traditional foods, including dates, lentil soup, and lamb kebabs. As they sat down to eat, Sarah was struck by the sense of community and unity that Ramadan brought. She felt grateful to be sharing this special time with her friends and to be learning more about their faith and traditions. As the month of Ramadan progressed, Sarah continued to observe the fast and to deepen her connection to the Muslim community. She found that the discipline and self-reflection required during Ramadan had a profound impact on her spiritual journey and left her with a newfound sense of peace and purpose. Subscribe at Billionaire Promise for more Ramadan stories.